Okay. Is everything working fine? Testing. What? Why does desktop monitoring do that? Okay, that's fine. Why is that loud? Alright. 1 second, is the microphone set properly? Yep. And yep, I think. Okay. I like my blanket. It's nice and comfy and warm inside. Alright. Okay, yeah. Okay, so today I'd like to make and upload that first video that I recorded the audio for yesterday, just as like what this channel is. I think I should add a little bit more to it, solely because I don't think I mentioned hobby, YouTube, recorded audio. What's this channel? Um, that's done. No, it's not. Save. Um, schedule. If I ever knew how to spell it. Okay. From 2 to 5. No, 3 to 5. Ow, my ears. Let me disable that. I don't need desktop audio right now. From 3 to 5. YouTube and Twitch. Whatever I'm working on. I think that's fine for the tiny script portion. Either way, it's going to be like a 2-minute recording on top of what I had before. Our door is hiding. And both of these, since I'm going to use them. Gosh darn it, why are you like that? That's unfortunate. I may have to reinstall it. Okay, recent. Full screen. Scroll to the end. And put the time thing here. Press the record button. Press the other record button. And then we start recording. Let me grab my note. What? I'm just so confused by it. Alright. Just there. There. No, okay. Whatever. Sure. That works. Okay. And then just so it's readable, and let me add to the schedule part. Planning to release the character demo by the end April, May. Then some channel stuff for June. And maybe one level by the end of the summer. Release the character demo by the end of May. In June, I want to work on some of the channel stuff for the most part, like having a video or some good videos, some channel stuff, plus work on levels, maybe some art. Art would be maybe another by the end of the summer. I don't have a concrete plan. That's a little bit concerning. The character demo. Okay, so make short from this. Char demo, end of May. Some enemies. Some basic enemies. Some basic enemies for June. With that bit of art. The or system to view the hit/hurt boxes. Some basic enemies for June. And I don't know what's next on. With hoping for a vid a month. Yeah, okay. What's the schedule like going forward? So I mainly stream on YouTube and Twitch from 3 to 5. For the game, I'm planning to work more on the character and get like a character demo ready with either a system to use the hitboxes and hurt boxes or some basic art. Then for June, I'd like to work on some basic enemies, and then I'm hoping to also work on at least one video a month for this summer. Next summer, we'll have to see later. The volume is louder than before. Why is that today? I don't know. It just suddenly became louder. So strange, so strange, so strange. That's going to be a concerning thing that happens. How does it sound to me? Playback. Turn on the moderating. believe I want to cut this portion here. Right? Yeah, just a bit more than needed. I might re-record with this increased volume. It's just gonna be a while because that's actually, unless I can scale this, edit, insert node tree, gain. Compared to this one. Hmm. The audio seems fine. I don't. How do I adjust the volume to normalize it to these? That's the thing that I'm interested in now. Not sure if it's like too loud or too quiet. Okay, that's going to be abruptly different in sound volume. This thing, there's this line tool, draw mode. I'm just going to do this or something. How do I, what is this line? Gain, okay, click, gain, normalize. Nope, that's worse. Edit, gain, cut, reset gain, okay, gain, cut gain, which was Alt 7. Alt 7 a few times. Minus, okay, so let's see that done. Alt 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Yeah. I'd like to add the words maybe more. Cut, adjust, add punch range, go like that. How do I reduce my microphone input by 7 full decibels? In how do I adjust this? Mute, solo, automation, group, playlists. Alright, this is where AI might help. How do I reduce the audio from my microphone while recording? Track fader in the mixer. Press M to open it. Find your track. Drag fader down to reduce the recording level. Input gain in the recorder's global input panel at the bottom. Is this the step? If I reduce this to -7, -8, is that going to help? Hopefully. Alright, put here, punch in, punch out, record. Maybe a bit more. I'll have to see. Okay, and then I don't need this second part. Is the volume good? Nope, that didn't do anything. That's just wonderful. Stop. It's fine. Gain, cut, alt 7. Alright, I'll just work with this. Stop. Not the right audio. Don't need that part. Okay. What is all this beginning part? This is. I think if I just cut in what's the schedule, as it's the question, it should be fine. Okay. It feels like there's a bit of a murmur. Cut just a bit, and the staff is the problem. Right. Yeah. But that's the first question. Okay, why did it take me all the way over there? I'm I'm just gonna record it. Range. What's your schedule? export button was on. What's your schedule? My goodness, this is loud. Why is it getting louder or something? I don't understand. Okay. Alt 7. I don't need this, so apparently slices the shortcut for cut. This can be deleted. This can be deleted. This is fine. This is unnecessary audio. This is fine. Just snap to this, please. Snap. Bar. No. No red. What am I clicking? What? I touched something and I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. What does this do? Is that a fade out? Or something? What is this? Okay, I don't understand. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay. So all the audio chunks are separated. Um, and I think they're fine. Save session export or something. Yeah. MP3. Let's move it. Lobby, YouTube, recorded audio. Just darn it. Put this here. I'm sorry, but I don't have an info. Okay, so that works. What is next? Quit. Yep. And then make something open. How did I install Kden? There are all these updates as well. And I still need to search for Kden, which is what I have as the thing I want to use for editing. Um, Maybe starting the updates is a bad idea because now everything else is slow. I did not bring myself any water. Why did I do this to myself? I did spell it right. It's Caden and then live. Everything's updating. Okay. VS Code, come on. Finish your update. Okay, what's next? Mm-hmm. Yeah, updating. Please finish, finish, finish or stop. Pick one. Okay, let me try again. Why is it slow? This didn't happen last time. I'm a little annoyed. Is it because Power Saver is on, even though I literally... Okay, can I change the version? Yes, so I don't trust the snap anymore. So I'm gonna get the flat pack. And then I'm gonna basically just make a PowerPoint. Come out. Oh my goodness. Why is it like this? Great, the store froze. That's even worse. Let me please. Okay, down. Fly. This one says verified for some reason. Yeah, there's the stable Flato. Yeah, okay, alright. That's one of the ways I want to sit down. Close. Alright, the store seems to have frozen. I'll wait on it since it's installing. But I'd like to see the progress. Yep, there it is. Okay. Then we can finally have a video on the channel explaining why this channel exists, and maybe someone will look at it. I highly doubt it. After this first video, I want a second video just going over some of the tool development. Great, excellent, it's done. Epic. Put this here where it should be. Use it. Close the store. Don't need it. Sure. I don't know what interlace means. Video tracks, audio text. Sure. Start editing. Media. So I don't remember what these were for. Downloads, desktop, folder, hobby, YouTube, recorded audio, channel voiceover, and the MP3 file. Okay. What am I looking at? Jeez. It just looks bad. Why is it giving me that? So, audio. Obviously puts 0. For video, I'd like a few images. Video. Hide. Hide that, hide that. I don't need those right now. Insert. Add a clip image sequence. Should I pick the color scheme? I don't know. I don't really have a color scheme. I mean, I have the question mark, which is black and white, but other than that, no, not really. I don't have a color scheme. Image sequence, JPEG. I basically just want to add like text. Position. And this is where me, who has no idea what they're doing, gets some AI help. Data 5. I want to add text to it. This is the main starting website. And the icon makes sense. Everything is so far. Data Live docs. I want to add a PowerPoint or add a few texts, a few add some text with a separate background. Mm-hmm. And while it's trying to do that, I can try to figure out how the hell to add anything. Insert something. There's insert space. I can do that. No clips found to insert space. Sure. Text. Voice. Mm-hmm. Okay. Equipment timeline properties. Um, so many things that I don't know what I need yet. What? Recover. Video. Right. Channel. Intro. Channel summary. How does one spell summary? R V. Okay, I think that's right. So if I add and then trash a subtitle, no, it doesn't just crash. It just decided to crash on its own. Why? I don't know. Okay. No, I don't need that. Okay. So the audio clip is here. I don't need to see it. Adding text as a separate background. Create a title clip. Click on empty space in project and add clip. Title clip. Text. Okay. I can move it around and edit it. Simple enough. I'm just gonna start with text. So notes. Who is the channel port? 100, 200. I would like to drag it. $250. Not 2,500. I would like a weird and zany font. All of these are normal. Why are there so many notos? What is this? It's non-existent? They're all very normal. Background we've chosen is black. Foreground we've chosen is white. Can I add a effect? What is a typewriter effect? I'm gonna turn that off because I think I don't need it. Where's the channel for? I think that's enough space. I don't need to take up the entire screen. 250. Duration 5 seconds, it says. That should be more than enough for this question. Zoom. These are the align buttons. Center this way, center that way. Background, animation. Templates. Checkered. Black, white, black. Background, show timeline. Go back to 31%. Go back here. Okay, create title. Sure. Okay. From that, can I duplicate, edit, and just change the text? I want to check the capital I. Thank goodness, it's the good I. Why does this? No. Resist. I don't have the audio for Who Am I? That is very unfortunate. Okay. Duplicate, edit, change the text. Update. Put this here. Stretch it out and check. Okay, another one. Is that my door? Yeah, open it for them and then come back.